Hello viewers on YouTube. In our video today we're going to convert this washing machine motor into a generator. Here are the details. It's 150 watts, 230 to 240 volts, 50 cycles, 1.2 amps. Alright, so I made it easy. I already take out all the screws. Check out the wire. The wire is very thick. Check that out. Okay. Here is the original rotor, which was here inside. You can see there, fitted. Alright. So, as you know very well how I do this, to cut this, it's like big job to me. So the only thing I do, I get some other stuff like this, smaller ones from small motors, like fan motors, like these ones. Okay, and put the rotor, I mean the, what do you call this, the metal like this at the middle, like that. And then our magnet comes arranged right in this. Okay, I hope you see how I do this, because these ones, they are able to go right here at the middle, and they leave space in between this wall and this kind of metal. Okay, so here are the magnets we're going to be using in this video. Is 30 millimeters, 10 millimeters, and the thickness is 3 millimeters. Okay, or 3 mm, 30 mm, 10 mm. All right, so because if you can take a look closer, the space left there is very big. So we're not going to use single magnet per line. So each and every line is going to carry 3 magnets. Okay, so let me show you. Here is how I did it. You can see 3 magnets per line, and it's double because they're not long enough. So to make 60 mm, I have to double them. So I hope you see there. So the only thing that left is to cover them with electrical tape or insulation tape, so that when we're going to spin them inside here, they are not going to come out from here. Okay, to avoid crushing them. Right, now I covered it with a tape, as you can see. Well, looks black, very black, but when you're pulling it, it's changing the color to look like this. But anyway, now we are not going to use this, and these, we're not going to use them, so let's keep them aside. This, no, have to stay aside. So now make sure that here all the holes are matching, like there. Right. Oh, one thing here inside, because if you remember this rotor, they're using big bearings, and this side, the bearings we're going to use, they are small. So what I did, I took the bearing like this and put it there. Make sure that it is at the middle of it, and use glue for the rest of the space to hold it together. Okay, so the same thing to this side. So you can see there's small bearing at the middle. Right, now we're gonna push this. Yeah, this is our back side. So we're gonna push it in. Make sure it's at the middle, like that. Well, now this will come to finish up this side. Feel that? Now we're gonna use two to help us. We're gonna use two screws to help us holding it together. I'm trying my best not to make it very difficult, because I know most of you're going to do this project. It's very easy. That's why I'm trying to be slow, so that you're not going to get lost, because these kind of motors, I know they're common. $250 AC. So we're going to check together blue, which is the center of both wires. This is starting wire, and this is full speed wire. So then let's start with starting wire. Okay, 22 volts. All right, now we're gonna leave blue right there and go to red and blue. Okay, looks like the same. So now we're going to be like, they already did connect them in series inside. So now red and yellow, it's like it's in series. Check it out now. See that? About 79 volts. Right, so that means blue, we're not gonna use them. So let's do like this. Let's cut it, yeah, right here. And we're gonna push him back inside. All right, we're not going to use that blue. Let's keep all these aside. So before we start checking or testing to our light bulbs, let's secure it down like that, just to make sure that when we're going to pull or to spin it, we're not going to have bad time. Okay, now it's ready. It's dry. Check down there, nothing. And here is at the back of machine. All right, so we're gonna connect this like this. No, like this. This is better. Okay, so red, doesn't matter. I'm gonna put red this side or yellow that side. It's AC, so AC has no polarity. So here we go. Go rest. Okay, now fully connected. Machine is ready. All right, so here plugged right there. So first we're going to check this 9 watts, then 20 watts right there, then 55 watts. Remember they say it's 150 watts, so those watts can go higher when you put magnets inside. It depends what kind of magnets you use inside, but these magnets we put inside, I believe we're going to make more watts. All right, so we're going to see here, that's 55, then 100, then we are going to finish with 200 watts bench grinder. Stay there, going to start test one by one, so just keep watching until the end. Nine watts. Okay, this one we don't have to pull the rope, it's easy as we can see already. Right, now we're going up to 20 watts. Okay, let's see. Well, it is glowing, but I don't know if you can be able to see that. But now I think from there we have to start using the rope. All right, now we've seen that these 20 watts we pass. Okay, now we're moving to 55 watts. 55 watts, I believe we're gonna make it. And let's connect this and let's see the voltage. But if you were making 79 with hand rotation, I hope we're not going to make over 250. But anyway, because this guy is connected, whatever happens is going to protect. Right. Right, ready? This, yeah, there, I believe you're going to see. Please don't bend my arm. Okay, I believe when it's moving, no, you know what it does when it's moving? It's going to dance there. Right, put it there. Okay, doesn't matter. Right, ready? Ooh, okay. You see what I was talking about? The voltage went to 220 volts, you know? So I don't want any mistakes with this multimeter. Right, I'm gonna do it one more time. Right, rope is ready to pull. Okay, looks like we're done with this one. Okay, I know what you're thinking. We have to power all one time, but remember we have to check first one by one. So now we are in 100 watts light bulb. So time to see if we can power this 100 watts. Right, I'm gonna pause the video to, okay, I'm not gonna pause it. I'm gonna just try to do fast. Right, believe that's enough. Ready to 100 watts. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Okay, one more time. Right, last time. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. All right, so now, as I promised, that at the end it's going to be 200 watts bench grinder. It looks small, you know, Dixon stuff. It's like, these are from where we call this place, UK, something like that. Well, it's 200 watts, as you can see right here. Okay, so don't worry, I'm gonna make sure that you've seen it spinning. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be like that. The cable comes from here, and we're gonna plug it right here. All right, now we have 200 watts. Let's take out this. Now we have 200 watts. So it's a moment to see that they say it's 150 watts, but I said once you put strong magnets, especially these neodymium magnets, the voltage, I mean the power, goes higher, more than they say here that is 150 watts. Okay, so here it's on. Right, so I'm gonna put this rope right here. Be with me. I'm gonna try to do fast. Let's see if we can be able to power 200 watts using this 150 watts washing machine motor. All right, now it's ready. It's time to do the pulling. All right. How am I supposed to do this? Okay, this can go this side. This can come this side. Right. This, I need you to see this very well. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. See that? I know I touched the camera, so I'm gonna do it again. Right, now here we go again. Done. Rolling the string. Okay, ready to pull. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. All right, I hope you've seen it, but to say the truth, it can pull, but I will advise you not to use small motor to spin this. You need, well, I don't have to say much because in next video we're going to run this in full speed. Right now I remember we started from far, so in the last video we're going to plug everything else we tested. Now we're going to plug it one time and see in high speed using the big motor if we can be able to power everything else. Thanks for watching.